My name is Brittany Harmon, and for Lab 2, I'm going to use the Immersive Reader that is through my OneDrive, through my GMU account. So as you can see, I already have my OneDrive open. I'm going to go and I'm going to select a file, and I just copied and pasted a little poem that I found online. Let it open up. So here you can see I have my poem, and my Word is slowly loading. To use Immersive Reader, I'll go up to View, and then you'll see up here it says Reading View, Immersive Reader, and this is what I'm going to click on. So it will load the reader, and when you see it loaded, it'll say up here it's Immersive Reader, and then it's got the text nice and spread out so it'll be able to read it. There's a few cool things on here that you can do before I play it for you. You can change your text, so if you want it smaller, bigger, you can change your font. If you need to change the background, that way when the word is highlighted that is reading, it is a different color. For now, I'm just going to leave it like that. Can also do grammar. So if you're working on your parts of speech, we'll click noun, and we'll leave that highlighted just to show how it works. So I'm going to go ahead down here and click play. And when you stop, it'll stop on the word where you left off. So it'll always restart where you were. And down here you can also change your voice speed and your voice selection. So if you want it for a little boy, you can change it to male. You can speed it up, slow it down, whatever is preferred for the student. So I've never used Immersive Reader before, and it seems really user-friendly. There's also a way you can change the language if you needed to as well. So overall, I think Immersive Reader is a very easy and simple tool to use, and hopefully I'll get to use it more in the future.